That was a sonic boom from space. Every day, Earth is bombarded by cosmic debris. When a meteor screams into our atmosphere, it compresses the air in front of it, unleashing a devastating shockwave, a sonic boom that echoes across the sky. When a meteoroid, traveling at speeds exceeding 40,000 miles per hour, pierces our atmosphere, it doesn't just fall, it screams. The air ahead can't move out of the way fast enough. It compresses, superheats, and is torn apart, creating a violent shockwave that thunders down to the surface. Using real scientific data, we've translated the raw power of that collision into sound. What you're about to hear is the moment space itself collides with our world. This is the sound of Earth being hit.